Yo, killer.
Yo.
Killer.
This one's for you.
You my nigga.
I chill.
Tminus on the track. Tminus talking smack. Tminus need a snack. Tminus he gonna hit it from the.
Tminus he gonna hit it from the.
Let's do a song.
Tminus he gonna hit it from the.
Tminus he gonna hit it from the. Tminus he gonna hit it from the. Tminus he gon' hit it from the back. Let her slap it up straight. Then she spit it on her racks like a rack. It's a war zone. Let me get my dong on. Dick got her like God. Where my fucking clothes go? Hold on. Get this motherfucking weed lit. Niggas on the roll. That's a motherfucking G shit. Niggas don't believe it. Fix her ID shit. She got them fake D's and I got a pair of fake D's. Pussy walking on that ass like a Jesus. Rolling on these knees like please. Please hold up. Stick it in her butt.
Oh shit.
Roll up.
Yo,
pull up in the zero. So we bustin' all these, bustin' all these, bustin' all these, bustin' all these, bustin' all these nuts. Oh, bustin' all these nuts.
Look, I be fucked, little bitch, try run, my homie shoot, you can get your shit took, man. I try not to use hooks, but look, my homies hard, they got pulls, you fucks and we snatch and you go, bro, like you think I'm a joke, send me the Addy, you can get poked, like we flip your shit, after you take a hit, you bleed out, we go back to the block and roll a split, get some baddies on the way, bump some of my new shit, then we get lit, yeah, yo. Man, we run pockets 24/7, leave you and your crew bleeding, then you get sent to heaven. Now us, we going to hell, man. When we hear the sound, it's time to bounce. We come to your crib unannounced, get the pose, leave you bleeding on the ground. I still got a frown, soon I'ma be wearing my crown. Smoke a perp, you know how this shit works. These people ask, what are you even worth? My bitch, she twerks. Yeah, these people think the streets got perks, man. You'll be laid out, your pocket searched, then you bleeding cause you testing the wrong game. Yo, my girl, she likes it rough, wraps her legs cause she don't think I give her enough. Then I end up busting a nut. Yeah, I said busting a nut. Yeah, she like it rough, wraps her legs cause she don't think I give her enough.